From News 19, I'm meteorologist Daniel Bonds. It's been a busy few days in the Atlantic. So far, we've had 9 storms and 1 hurricane on average through August 23rd. We would expect 5 storms and 1 hurricane. And here's the forecast from NOAA. They're still forecasting 14 to 21 named storms, 6 to 11 hurricanes, and 2 to 5 major hurricanes. So far, we've made it all the way through Harold. Here's our list of names for the 2023 Atlantic hurricane season. Here are all the storms out there that we've had so far. This was the unnamed storm that occurred early in the year in January, but the rest of them did officially have names. So still kind of busy in the tropics. We are watching a couple of areas out there. We're going to continue to monitor Tropical Storm Franklin. Does have winds of 50 miles per hour with gusts up to 60. It is forecast to get a little bit stronger as it passes Hispaniola. It's going to weaken a little bit, then get a little bit stronger, and then possibly become a hurricane maybe as early as Friday. It'd be our second hurricane of the 2023 season if it does get a little bit stronger and become a hurricane. Also watching this area in the eastern Atlantic, a moderate or medium chance of further development. And this was Emily. Hurricane Center also gives this one a moderate or medium chance of further development over the next 7 days. Now, we'll say yesterday, European model was showing something kind of developing in the Gulf of Mexico next week. As of right now, it kind of backed off on that, so that's good news there. But obviously, the water temperatures are very warm in the Atlantic and especially in the Gulf of Mexico. There's Franklin as it continues to move generally towards the north and eventually towards the north and east. But you'll notice no major problems, at least being indicated by the European forecast model. And the American model's basically showing that same thing. Here we are as we go through. That's Friday. This is Saturday. Here's Franklin kind of meandering its way towards the north and then eventually towards the north and east. So again, it looks like nothing really on the horizon for us here in the Palmetto State or the East Coast over the next few days. So that is certainly good news there, but we'll continue to monitor the tropics and very long season. It continues until November 30th and indications are it is going to be a busy season. Certainly has been busy over the past few days. We'll continue to monitor Franklin and those other 2 systems over the next 7 days.